Can I purchase a replacement AirPod if only one is lost or damaged?
Hey there! Welcome to our video discussion on whether you can purchase a replacement AirPod if only one of them is lost or damaged. We understand how frustrating it can be to misplace or damage one of your AirPods, but don't worry, we're here to provide you with the information you need.
Apple's replacement policy.
When it comes to replacing a lost or damaged AirPod, Apple does offer a replacement service. However, it's important to note that Apple generally does not sell individual AirPods separately. Apple's policy is to replace the entire set of AirPods rather than selling single units. This is because AirPods are designed to work together seamlessly, and replacing just one AirPod may result in compatibility issues.
AppleCare Plus coverage.
If you have AppleCare Plus coverage for your AirPods, the good news is that AppleCare Plus does cover accidental damage. This means that if you accidentally damage or lose your AirPod, you may be able to get a replacement for a fee. AppleCare Plus provides up to 2 incidents of accidental damage or loss coverage, and each incident is subject to a service fee, which varies depending on the type of AirPods you own.
Out-of-warranty service.
If you don't have AppleCare Plus coverage or if your AirPods are no longer covered by the warranty, you can still get a replacement, but it will come at a cost. Apple offers an out-of-warranty service for AirPods, which means you can purchase a replacement for a fee. The cost of the replacement will depend on the specific model of your AirPods.
Apple's online or retail store.
To purchase a replacement AirPod or set of AirPods, you have a couple of options. You can either visit an Apple retail store or contact Apple's online support. It's recommended to check Apple's official website or reach out to their customer support for detailed instructions on the replacement process and availability of replacements for your specific AirPods model. In conclusion, if you happen to lose or damage one of your AirPods, Apple does provide a replacement service. However, it's important to keep in mind that Apple typically replaces the entire set of AirPods rather than selling individual units. If you have AppleCare Plus coverage, you may be able to get a replacement for a fee, while out-of-warranty replacements are also available at a cost. We hope this information has been helpful, and remember, always reach out to Apple directly for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding AirPod replacements.